Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 100 exercise tips every fitness buff should know. 1. Determine your purpose of working out. When it comes to the level of intensity that you want to go through in working out, you need to determine your purpose for it first. You have to decide if you want to simply get fitter or you want to build more muscles and exercising. On top of that, different forms of exercise may also be involved if you want to excel in a certain sport. By determining your purpose, you can easily decide on what kind of routines you want to do. 2. Losing weight. If you want to lose weight, one of the best things that you can do is to exercise. However, in order for it to be effective, you have to properly determine your goals for it. On top of that, you should also set a time frame in achieving them. For example, you can set your goal as losing 5 to 10 pounds in a period of 1 week. 3. Think of an event that you want to get ready for. Getting excited for a certain occasion can help you a lot when it comes to your motivation for exercising. With that, it is best if you can think of an event in the future that you want to prepare yourself for. One example is a high school reunion, in which you want to impress your previous schoolmates that you are able to remain fit. 4. When you exercise, you can become more energetic. If you are constantly feeling sleepy at work, then you should get some exercise soon. Exercising can actually make you more energetic. Thus, thinking about how much energy you can gain from it should make you more motivated in hitting the gym and start working out. 5. Building your abdominal muscles. Lots of people think that the best way to build their abdominal muscles fast is to work them out each day. However, this is actually untrue, since you should also let them get enough rest. If you want to achieve better abs in lesser time, then you should just work them out for about 2 to 3 times in a week. 6. The relation between limbering and your age. As you age, especially reaching the age of 40, your muscles would become less pliable. In other words, you have to limber or stretch them longer. When you are under the age of 40, you can stretch your muscles and hold them for just 30 seconds. At the age of 40 and above though, it is best to hold your stretches at 60 seconds. Click link below to learn more. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net